Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix 99% of problems that you may be finding on your iPhone device. So after making hundreds of videos about troubleshooting and fixing iPhones and iPads, one of the most common fixes that many people have had success with is to actually just go ahead and restart the actual device. So much like when you restart your computer, the same applies for an iPhone, as this removes any temporary glitches or bugs that the iPhone may be encountering. So as for restarting your iPhone, there are several different ways you can do this depending on the model that you do have. And this will also work extremely well if you have any sound issues, Wi-Fi issues, cellular, frozen apps, and the list pretty much does go on. So whatever the issue you may be having, the first thing I always recommend is to go ahead and restart your device. So if you have an iPhone 6 or later, you can hard restart your device by pressing the home screen button and the lock screen button together for around 30 seconds until the device restarts. And if you have an iPhone 7, you can restart your device by pressing the volume down and the lock screen together for the same amount of time, and that will go ahead and reboot the iPhone. And if you have the iPhone 8 or above, so the iPhone 8, 10 and 11, you can do this by pressing the volume up, the volume down, and also the power button in very quick succession. So you just want to do it like this: up, down, and then press the lock. And this will go ahead and restart the device. And you just want to press holding onto the lock screen button until the device goes ahead and restarts. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick way on how you can essentially fix 99% of issues that you may be having on your iPhone device. And if you are to go into any Apple store and they are to help you at the Genius Bar, this is one of the very first things that they'll show you to do to fix any issues. So if this video has helped you in resolving any issues that you may have with your iPhone, please share your experiences down below, as it will help thousands of other iPhone users out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.